Alright, so what did we do?
We switched sites.
Yeah, we did. We just wanted something that was a little bit more level, and it's got a little bit better view out here, so. So I think we're going to like this site a little bit better. I'm not exactly sure how it's going to be handled, but we'll deal with that with the campground host. Alright, you ready to go? You ready to go? Did it want to push you? Hey Linda, so what do you think of your e-bike?
I love it.
E-bike?
I love it, yeah.
What do you like about it?
I mean, I'm just getting used to it, but having the assist up the hills, I know for most people those don't seem like much hills, but
well, at this elevation, everything is a little bit more intense for us right now. So
that's right. We are not from Colorado. We're not used to this elevation.
Yeah. All right. There we go.
That's a good point.
Beautiful ride so far.
Where are we going?
So I didn't catch this on tape. I should have videoed, but we just went up a really long hill on the way back to the campground, and it was... we were getting a workout. We were still pedaling.
That would have killed me without the assist.
Me too.
I mean, well, I'm not very in shape anyway to begin with.
Yeah, but just as we talked about, the elevation makes a big difference too. So.
You're being very kind, but yes, you're right. No, we're not used to the elevation, and that would have killed me.
Me too.
On a regular bike.
Me too. So we managed to get this site for the night. We had originally set up for a different site, but this one was much more appealing just from the location. We can see the mountains in the background, and then also it's much more level site. We're having a little bit of trouble getting level, and also just getting the bikes off the back. There was a huge steep drop off, so we're very happy here. It's very nice and level, and beautiful view out the back here. Incredible.